Okay, I'm going to blame it on being sick, but apparently there's a super easy way to transfer tokens from one Wax wallet to another without having to use one of the dApps like Wax Bolks.io, like I showed earlier today. So I'm going to update that description with a link to this video to show you the super simple way. So you basically go to your first Wax account that you want to transfer tokens from. And just keep in mind, you'll need to know the second address offhand so that you can make the swap. But so you're on your dashboard right here, and all you do is you go to send, you pick the token that you want to send, you enter the amount you want to send and click next. And then this is where you'll need to know that second Wax address. I keep a second window open with the second wallet address so I can just copy and paste. That way there's little room for error. Enter in the site you want to use, though I realize I don't want to transfer that much. I'm just, for example's sake, going to do 5. Enter the Wax address you want to send it to, click next, and approve. Bing, bang, boom. It should end up on the other side. You can see right now I have 0 tokens on this one. If I hit refresh, I should now have 5. Yep. Okay, so that is the simpler way. Thank you very much to one of my subscribers for commenting that to me. Like I said, I'm going to blame it on RONA brain. I can't really say the word, but whatever. So I'm getting better. I appreciate all the positive thoughts and everyone checking in. If you have any other questions, leave it in the comments, and we will see you on the next video.
Subscribe to my channel for more Farmers World updates and how-tos.